trying to get Niall to help, but what's Niall gonna do other than push her into the waterfall? Ha ha ha!
Thank you.
Hola. So if you haven't guessed already, we are in Krka Waterfalls. So last time we were in Plitvice Waterfalls, and that's just another hour and a half, 2 hours drive from here. So we took the coach from Split, which is like, Split is near where we're staying at the moment. From Split we got a coach to here, and it's about an hour and 20-minute drive. Nice and local. So you missed Niall arriving, Jack arriving. So Niall's my boyfriend, Jack is Eva's boyfriend.
No, I'm your best friend.
Okay, best friend.
Best friend.
Yeah. Gonna be lit! Woo! This is the map of the national park. At the moment we are there, and we have this whole place to go. We found the first waterfall! It's over here. Woo! I found another waterfall. Sick. Doesn't get better than this. There they are. Hello. Oh, I lost you. That's insane. Let's go home now. Okay, time to go home. See all the waterfalls. Woo. Jack, why are you sad?
I want a coffee.
You want a coffee? I want food. Eva, why are you sad?
Because I'm hungry.
No. But guys, look at this waterfall. It's lit.
Rhea, dive into
Cute. Okay. Last time I was here, I was about 10 or maybe even 9, and it was not this crowded at all. It was like back in the day when Croatia was like quite unknown. So sick.
I bet it's cold, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really slipping.
Look at this. Woo! Look at this behind me. Let go! Yeah.
Oh.
Woo!
Wait, one more.
Woo! What is he doing? Are you a bunny, Jack?
I'm a bunny.
Let's see your teeth. What do you think of this place so far?
I love it. It's
Nice, isn't it?
It's literally the most amazing place I've been in my life.
Really? Similarly to Plitvice, the way they made the trails doesn't interfere with nature too much. I mean, these ones aren't as naturey as Plitvice ones because they're more structured, but it all still blends in. It's all just made from rocks and cement, so it's all fits in nicely with the nature, doesn't it?
I can hear another waterfall.
Oh, are we approaching?
Like
So it turns out there's only one place for swimming. We've already passed it, but according to the map, it says if we walk around and we go, it's basically a circle. We can go back to where we swim, can't we?
Yep.
We'll try and make it to swim because we have
like
a bus. Yeah, we have a bus at 6:15. At the moment it's 4:45. So we're gonna try fit it all in and try to go swimming. right? So I actually had to take my shoes off because they were just rubbing too much on the ankles. So if you're going to come to a place like this, I've mentioned it in the pit pizza.
Ultra boots or Yeezys.
Just wear comfortable footwear. Whoa, we just come across this.
Other one.
View.
Oh, this is where I wanted to get the drone, do you remember?
I just mentioned to Niall that we were just walking up this bit here, and I said to him that this bit reminds me a lot of Pit Pizza. I think Pit Pizza is much bigger, and so there's more space to walk around, it's not as crowded, and there's more places to swim in no, it's not. No, there's more places to swim here. You're not actually allowed to swim in a lot of places in Pit Pizza. And I kind of know why, because I did see a snake in the water there, so. Look who's all the way up there. And I'm down here because I'm looking after all the stuff. Just waterfalls and stuff. And people climbing and pretty wolfy doggies. Hopefully I don't see a snake, otherwise I will cry. There's my shadow. Hello! There's Ria coming down now. Trying to get Niall to help, but what's Niall gonna do? Other than push her into the waterfall. Ha ha ha! Oh look, there's Jack coming now. Looking like Tarzan. And there's Niall taking selfies, as always. Jack doing something with a tree. Ria's still trying to figure out how to get down. Now she's laughing. Now she's back into her concentration mood. Oh, whoa, big spin from Jack. Look at her. She's coming now.
Did you get all of that?
Yeah, here she is. She made it eventually. She made it eventually, guys.
So sick. That was well cool, like proper climbing a waterfall.
Me and Jack, we climbed up the waterfall and it was like, I know, it was well cool. I don't think you're allowed, it felt really dangerous to be fair. But we got pretty drenched, but it was so fun. So we've made it back to where we began, where we can swim. Woo! Woo! So we just went for a swim and it was so nice. Like it was, I don't know, if we had a GoPro, if no one remembered to charge the GoPro, like it would have been amazing. We would have had like amazing shots and
yeah, it was incredible. It was so clear.
It was like 5:20 when we got in, so it was like the sun was like perfect level. It wasn't too bright, it wasn't too hot. Very special, very nice. And now we're heading home. Now we're gonna get the boat back to where the bus stop is and try catch our bus, which is in 40 minutes. See how that goes. Okay, so last night when we got home after the Krka Waterfalls, we got home and we literally just crashed out straight away because we were really exhausted. So this is the next day. We're going to do something else today and that will be in the next vlog. So peace.